So for those of you that don't know, I have been joining our distribution agency, Glass Half Full, with what we're calling Days in Trade. And today you're going to come on a journey with me. I'm currently in Borough Market. I've just arrived at my first venue, incredible Thai restaurant that focus on British produce. So let's get in there, let's have a little look around. Let's see if we can convince them to back quality British premium rum.
Hi everyone, I'm Harriet. I work for Glass Half Full and we look after a portfolio of sustainable, independent spirits brands and a few wine brands as well. So very, very excited to be out on a day in trade today with DropWorks, coming from my hometown of Nottinghamshire into the big city, that is London.
Brilliant couple of hours there with Harriet, going to some potential sites that might stock DropWorks. Really good to get out just talking about DropWorks to people that haven't necessarily come across it before. I just think everyone already knows about it, but of course they don't. You know, I've been doing this for a few years now, and for me, I've just been living and breathing this story of quality British rum, talking about esters, talking about fermentation, the biology, the chemistry of rum production. I sort of forget that when you're working in a restaurant or a bar, it's not what you're living and breathing. You're living and breathing hospitality. Really, really positive response, even from a Thai restaurant and from the Swan, which is actually just behind me here, attached to the Globe Theatre. How cool would it be to be in there? Nice British institution. Really lovely team in there, beautiful space, and definitely space for a quality British rum on the back bar. Been amazing getting to get out there with Harriet, done the intros for me, and she's an amazing communicator for the brands that she's carrying, including DropWorks. So looking forward to getting out and doing more of these. Sorry I can't bring you into the tastings. Might be able to do some more of that in the future, but you guys know it already. You've heard me before. Yeah, I just wanted to give you a bit of an insight into some of the stuff we're up to at the moment. Working with Glass Half Full, getting out there, bringing the liquid to new venues that haven't yet discovered us. So I am in Tamarind, a beautiful restaurant in the heart of Mayfair. Fantastic team led by Carol. And the drinks that they are serving are incredibly appropriate for this type of weather. They've got 3 mojitos on the go, delicious DropWorks cocktails, and look at this setting. Isn't this beautiful? This is their terrace bar. They've got a restaurant inside and a restaurant in the basement as well. What a beautiful spot for a drink, for a cocktail, or for some delicious food. So we're here today because we're doing a photo shoot actually. We've got Eloise with us. She's come down from Sheffield. She's going to be taking a load of photos of some of the cocktails, some of our key accounts, some of the best restaurants and bars that we're working with at the moment. Hence we are in Tamarind. We've got Chip from Glass Half Full with us. In fact, they're inside taking photos already. I don't know what I'm doing out here on my own. I'm going to go in and find them. So yeah, this is Chip, Glass Half Full. I'm out with Chip today. We're in beautiful Tamarind, and I thought I'd sit down, just introduce you to Chip. He is an absolute warrior when it comes to getting out there with the brands that he's looking after, and ours, of course, being one of those brands. So thanks, Chip.
Anytime. Thank you, Lewis, for coming along. May I just say, while we're here, we're enjoying a lovely mango mojito at Tamarind Collection. If you're ever in the area, they have 3. They've got Zika down in Chelsea. They've got Tamarind Collection here in Mayfair, and they've got Tamarind Kitchen near Soho Oxford Circus. They do amazing, amazing food, amazing, amazing drinks. We're here today for the DropWorks Mojito Special, and I tell you what, on a day like this, it's absolutely fabulous.
That's good. We don't always share a drink, by the way.
We don't.
You're always selling though. You're just constantly selling.
Well, that's the
selling the venues, selling Tamarind, selling Zika, selling their other venues. Unbelievable.
It's the aim of the game. We've got to get DropWorks in as many UK outlets as possible, so everyone can enjoy a mojito on a day like this.
I'm going to put him on the spot. Why does a classy restaurant in Mayfair sign up to DropWorks?
It's funny because this is an Indian restaurant, and obviously we're drinking British rum, so you'd think that some people might go, where's the fit there? But they're all about high quality ingredients, which is exactly what DropWorks is about. So that's one. but 2, they want to work with independent brands that actually can support exactly what we're doing today. We're doing content, we're doing behind the scenes, and actually we can give them a good experience. So I think working with brands like DropWorks, again, the British element, which pairs so nicely with the food, even though we are in Indian cuisine, is key, for example. But other than that, they're happy to work with small independent brands that actually give back to them rather than working with the big guns which are seen everywhere.
He's good, isn't he?
So we've got the mango mojito here. There's some seriously spicy stuff going on there, but makes it so refreshing, especially when you're eating the Indian cuisine. But obviously the highlight of it is Clear Drop. My family about 50 to 100 years ago had their own rum called McKibben's rum. Tell you what, I couldn't even have a shot of it, whereas this, take it to parties, drink it in cocktails, so refreshing, so easy. They obviously do their signature Wild Trinity yeast. Now, I'm not gonna lie, you get banana bread, you get apples, you get citrus, it's delicious, but then it's almost like you're not drinking rum. That's what I find weird. Most rums, you get that horrid burn. This, it's like a shot at neat. So if you're ever in the area in Mayfair, come and get yourself mango mojito. They also do a grapefruit one and a watermelon one. So if you're feeling less spicy, definitely go for the watermelon one. It's fantastic. You've got lovely Carol who runs the bar behind. You've got Lewis walking in now. We're about to head to an event that Lewis is doing in Burlock, which should be amazing. And we'll be there filming all night. So make sure you watch the content coming later on.
I'm dying to try this. Look at this. Monsoon Pony. Okay, I'm going to need time to work this out. I already know what's in it, but it is incredibly complicated. It comes together. It's like diving into a bag of jelly beans. I'm in trouble. The creators stood behind me. Just go, what are you talking about? So we've got sesame infused barrel drop rum, some coffee bitters, banana liqueur, some lime, some aquafaba, which creates, sorry, not aquafaba, we didn't use aquafaba, we used miracle bitters to create the foam on the top, and I feel like I'm missing one. Miso caramel, and that is a really lovely ingredient that you kind of probably don't come across very often, and it's intriguing on the palate. You pick up on it, you go, I'm not used to that. Miso caramel, I think really comes through. Right, so now you're understanding why I needed to pause. Sesame, miso, barrel drop rum, banana, lime, coffee bitters. It's complicated, but it is it's super delicious, very refreshing, but full of flavour as well. Wonderful stuff. Carol at Tamarind, thank you. Can you guess where I am? There's some clues behind me. This is a very cool space. Rum Tavern, just off Oxford Circus. Brilliant bar, great rum bar, great team. They've got DropWorks in it, we're just celebrating that now. Another great venue there, Rum Tavern. Massive respect to Gabriel for getting that one going. I know as a labour of love, the detail in that bar is amazing. Nails hanging out in the ceiling, a load of bespoke materials made, like the lanterns. Great drinks, fun bar team. Big shout out to Lucas. And they played around with some of our liquid as well. They've got some of our liquid on the bar, but great to see them trying out some other fun stuff that we've got when we're walking around, some of the single casks. Made some amazing drinks with that. One of them with a pineapple tapache, I believe. Delicious. Anyway, back on the road, going to Van Bar and Burlock. Got a tasting down there tonight. I think there's going to be about 60 odd people down there. Eloise is still here.
Still with us.
Still with us, doing the good work. Look at those poodles. Just about to get going for the Burlock rum tasting. There's 60 people here. This is brilliant. They're all here to taste neat rum. So exciting for me because that's exactly what I'm passionate about. Liquid on lips, getting people to understand the production process, see behind all the marketing, see that we're real, see that we've got the quality liquid, and let the liquid do the talking. It's going to be a fun night, I think. I'm in Liverpool. Here we are in Liverpool, getting out there, getting DropWorks out and about. Thank you, Max, for hooking up with some incredible venues. Brilliant, brilliant city, great nightlife, a real buzz here. In Manchester with Max. Let's go. This is a very cool bar. Very cool bar called Holding Patterns. Just discovered it. It was recommended by the team at Empire, where we just had lunch. Phenomenal place. You're going to find DropWorks in there soon. Big shout out to them. Very impressed. Lovely little hidden sort of secret bar. Good fun. Next, in Leeds at the moment with Max, the boy. Been in Tabula Rasa there. Absolutely fantastic. Max, where are we going now? Latitude?
We're off to Latitude for Lewis' tasting. It's going to be fun. I'll sit back and drink some rum while Lewis takes the floor.
I'm driving. Dull. Great city, great opportunities, loads of fun places. Thank you, Max, for showing me around. Leeds, well done. Well done indeed. So we're just in Latitude Wines, about to get started, doing a little rum tasting. Nice little group, there's about 10 of us, and we are going to chat through DropWorks, the whole range, and I've got a surprise for them. I've got a single cask at cask strength as well. Nice little treat for the crowd that turn up to a tasting with us. Awesome shop, by the way, Latitude Wines in Leeds. Beautiful. I'm absolutely shattered. You can probably see it in my eyes. Training done, tasting session done. Thank you, Latitude Wines. Thank you, Max. Glass half full. These days in trade are amazing. We get to get out and go and see so many different bars, meet so many bartenders, bar managers, restaurateurs, people working in restaurants, and the vibe out there is really positive. Tonight was a consumer evening, tasting with people that had never heard of DropWorks before, people that never tasted neat rums before. So exciting to see people come to the world of rum and realise how exciting and diverse it is. I need to go home. I need to go to bed. So much going on. Thank you to Glass Half Full. It's great getting out of days in trade. Love it. Let's keep it coming. Thanks for watching. See you soon.